Alright, so for today, I'm gonna be switching out my uh speakers. I'm gonna switch out both the front two, and I'm gonna try to switch out the back two. Um, I ordered some Rockford Fosgates. I don't remember the exact model, but it was 4 for 70, and I also bought the adapter harnesses. So it should be pretty simple. I'm just gonna have to take off some clips. I'll show you where. I think there's one here. Um, there's two in the front here, and I believe there's one more. If I find it, I'll let you know. But I'm gonna take these panels off, and I haven't received the speakers yet, but whenever I do get them, I'll start installing them. I just want to do one quick test run with the audio. Right now, they sound really bad. I don't know. I guess I've destroyed them over time. But I'm just gonna play a song real quick at a pretty high volume, just so you can tell how bad they got. So at the higher volumes, they just kind of. Oh wait, I think my package is here actually. Oh, never mind. But at the higher volumes, the sound starts to just distort, and I've had that issue for about a year, but now it's about time to change them because I just want to have some better sound quality in the car. But the back two don't need to be switched out, but might as well. So I'm gonna be trying to replace all of them, and we'll hear the before and after. Alright, so I did some quick Google research, and they're the screws that are holding it in are here, one behind this thing. So you're gonna pry this out. So there's a screw there, and there's one down here. I don't know if you can see it. And then there's two below the door panel, like around here and here. So I'm gonna take those out because I'm gonna have to put the camera down because I don't have a tripod or anything for it, my phone. So I'll just take it out and show you afterwards. Okay, so the speakers just got to my house. It is 4 o'clock exactly. So now I just have to install the front two. I don't know if I'm gonna do the back two because I might not have time today, but I might do it next week because you have to take out a lot of parts for that. So I got my adapters here, and I got my speakers here. These are the Rockford Fosgates, and this is the specific model R16 5x3. And from the reviews, they seem pretty good, but we'll have to see once I put them on. But it's about time to put them on now. So here's what the box comes with. Goes with the manual. Two of these just I guess wiring cords, so if you want to extend them for further range. One end doesn't have anything, one end has connectors, and then the two speakers with the grills on top, with the grills on it. So it's about time to replace them. Alright, so it actually comes with mounting hardware. So what you got to do is you have to connect these two female connectors, I think they're called, onto where the power, which would be right here. So you connect one on each side, and then after that's done, I believe that it connects these two wires connect to these universal harnesses, and then you connect these to the car. So let me do that and then try it out and see if it works. So my mistake. These actually would just connect straight to here. So let me just connect these. Okay, so my mistake. You actually just supposed to put these clips that you bought. You just plug these straight into that, and you don't use this because this is just if you want to do it on your own. So then, if you did want to do it on your own, you would connect those here, and then you could either solder these onto the one in the car, or you put on another set of connectors on it, and then you connect it to what's in the car. But this is already easy, it's already made, so you just connect one side in, and then you just connect that to the car and you're good to go. But I have to take it off from this one because this one got stuck. Okay, so I'm reusing the old speaker mounts. These are the stock ones. The guy that had previously owned this car he just drilled the hole straight through the previous like mount. He drilled the hole and had it basically like this. So I'm just gonna do the same thing, since I might actually just order a new one, so it's, I don't know, so it's just a cleaner look, even though no one's gonna see it. But what I did is I just sanded it down a bit more because it was pretty sharp around the edges, but I just sanded it down a bit, and then I'm just gonna attach the speaker to here. So that one's already done, and now I'm just gonna do this one. It's pretty easy. This one actually had the cover on it, but it was half off and I couldn't get it to stick back on, so I just took it off. I might just completely cover this with something new, but we'll see when that happens because I have a lot more projects to do. And so yeah, I'm just gonna clean this off, and then I'll connect it and mount it. And so these mounting holes weren't able to mount onto the previous ones because they're not aligned correctly, but you could literally just put the screw in and just with some pressure push it in and make a new hole. So I did for the other one. I actually had to take that one off to sand it because it was still sharp, and I just forgot to do it on this one. But yeah, so next step. Oh, and the window's so dirty, but there's really no way to clean it. But if I can, I'll try to clean it. Alright, so I got them installed. They're both of the I'm just having brain farts now. Well, I sent it off. They're good. They're placed on now, and they're connected. I already tested them out. They sound really good compared to what I had. I want to switch out these tweeters though, so that's gonna be the next thing I do. Probably do it this upcoming week. Now let's give it a test with the same song. Let's play it. Okay, so let me play sing the same song. So it gets loud without distorting. That's pretty much the main thing I just wanted to fix. And now I just gotta do these tweeters, and that's it. I cleaned the door, cleaned both doors, and even the actual doors. So that's how the speakers sound. I really like it. I just gotta do the tweeters now and do the two back ones, but it sounds really good. And for the price, $70 for four. It's honestly a steal, but yeah, I gotta do that shit next time then. But thanks for watching. If you have any other ideas for me to do, just let me know. I would appreciate if you subscribed, and just left a comment down below. Thank you.